All right, this question is a indefinite integral, and it requires partial fractions. So we factor this denominator here. So let's see, x minus, x minus 2, x minus 5. Okay, so that means we can decompose this into something over the first linear factor plus something else. Okay, and then okay, so the result here, now that they have the same denominators, we can say that 1 is equal to so this equation has to be true for all values of x. So when x is 5, for example, we get that 1 is equal to 3b, right? 5 minus 2, 3b. So b is a third. And when x is equal to 2, we get that a is negative a third. Okay, so that must mean that our expression a over x minus 2 okay, that really equals negative a third over x minus 2 plus 1/3 over x minus 5. And so now their integral, the integral becomes, so what I'd do, I'd probably factor out a 1/3 here so that I can write it like this. So I'm going to switch the locations of these because it's just a little better when the negative in my mind comes second. And this antiderivative is obvious because it's 1/3 natural log absolute value of x minus 5 minus the natural log. Okay, now you're not going to find this answer choice. By the way, this is actually kind of important. That 1/3 is affecting that whole that whole expression. Okay, so then you're not going to find your answer right away because you need to use a property of logs. And the property of logs that tells us that we can rewrite this, right? So I can rewrite this as this quotient. Okay, but the quotient of absolute values is the absolute value of the quotient. So this is a long-winded way of saying that our answer should be E.